sacrificed. I missed the checkmate. Here you can see that it's a checkmate here after capturing the rook. You see, but only 18 seconds, and I was totally so I was it was just a live stream game. That means a game. So the game started. I played with without two knights, and it was a fun game actually. But though he is 1000 rated, so he is trying to beat me, and he get the right track. That means without two knight, I got some attack, but he made it, and now I'm playing with white. Maybe I need to make it flip the board. So I want to see the whole game again with the flip sides. And it was a 10-minute game. That means I had a huge time to think, but my pieces are reduced in number. It's an odd game, and it's really interesting. And he beat me totally, where I am almost 1900 plus, and he's almost only 1000 rated, but he beated me with a nice checkmate, you can see. So here I just got back my bishop, and so okay, it is black side is Srivansh, and so he weakened his king side, and I attacked his bishop. Okay, as a flip side I cannot understand it. Okay, so white should win the game, and white is doing that. Maybe it is not. I want to see the checkmate actually, because my time Srivansh is playing with 2 minutes now. You can see he thought a lot in this game. So here my light bishop exchanged, and he has got a chance. So here you can see that black is now attacking position. That means white king is in danger. Oh, so he is now black lost a knight. How this happened? But it is so he played it so fast. He should not say lost the knight in this time. So here he making the checkmate pattern, but I am trying to play my best with my low number of piece. But and now I'm going to trying to checkmate, but still he can. But now he is in the checkmate, making trying to checkmate me, and it is really queen. The bishop is so strong on d6, so I missed that. So here you can see white, that is my queen cannot see the better move, proper move. Go only for a check. I have to check again. So here I missed something. I should go another. I had a check on queen e8 check. I missed that check, but I think you can see that only 19 seconds. So Srivansh is playing a beautiful game. Like that means is the best. You can see that it is the best game, because he find the right move, that means the tactical move, or the most important move. But I was eating some rook because he sacrificed. I missed the checkmate. Here you can see that it's a checkmate here after capturing the rook. You see, but only 18 seconds, and I was totally I reviewed. I was totally while I was streaming, I was totally but the rook cannot come. Still I can capture, black can capture the rook, and it's a checkmate. So these pawns are so strong, you see. These pawns are waiting here for a checkmate in the king. And though in the last he lost pieces, but in previous I had some knight odds. I don't have but here in the last and his time is now better. I lost all my times thinking how to. I cannot checkmate him. I could not checkmate him with my king and rook and queen, but he made it. So it is so I decided to make a video. Hope you like it, and Srivang, I will try to. I will definitely give the mention in my video description. And thanks, and I wish Srivang will play more better games with the higher raters, and his rating will increase gradually. Thanks.